A340 sampling for analysis. We consider here that the aircraft electrical circuits are energized and the hydraulic circuits pressurized. The main landing gear doors are open. We are going to show how to take a sample of the blue hydraulic system fluid. The sampling valves are located on their associated high-pressure manifold. Get access to the sampling valve installed on the blue high-pressure manifold. Clean the sampling valve and cap with a lint-free cloth and cleaning agents. Warning: obey the manufacturer's instructions when using the cleaning agents. This material is dangerous. Remove and discard the lock wire from the sampling valve. Remove the cap from the sampling valve. Note that you must flush the sampling valve before you remove a sample. Put the notch in the head of the cap below the head of the needle valve. Pull the needle valve down and drain 0.2 liters, 0.0528 US gallons, into a container. After drainage, put a clean sample tube below the sampling valve to remove a sample. Pull the needle valve down and drain 0.2 liters, 0.0528 US gallons, into the sampling tube. Pour the sample into a clean glass sample bottle that you seal. Put a tag with aircraft registration, system identification, date and time before you send the bottle to the analysis laboratory. Particle contamination must be to NAS 1638 Class 8 or better. Don't forget to depressurize the blue hydraulic system before you reinstall the cap on the sampling valve. Safety the cap with corrosion-resistant steel lock wire. For sampling on the green hydraulic system, get access to the green high-pressure manifold also located in the left main landing gear bay. For sampling on the yellow hydraulic system, get access to the yellow high-pressure manifold located in the right main landing gear bay. Make sure that the work area is clean and clear of tools and other items and that the fluid level in the hydraulic reservoir is correct before closing the access.